Welcome to Minute Answers. Okay, today we are going to learn about how to plan your contents or plan your contents. Before we start Instagram marketing, there are 4 things you need to follow. First thing is setting a smart goal. This is the second one, plan your contents. Why you need to plan your contents? Because you should have goal. Another thing is you should have a plan. So to do these things, let's see what we can do to plan our contents, right? The content plan is a very important asset when you are doing social media marketing. I told you this before. When you create a content plan, you should have a better idea of how the Instagram platform is working. That is most important thing, because Instagram is most of times give the priority for the videos. So if you can include more videos to your content plan, that means you will get good reach and you will get good engagements. So therefore, try to understand the platform before you create a content plan. Okay, keep in mind to add video contents to your content plan. I told it you before, because Instagram and every social media platforms give more priority to the videos, because videos are most important and it is very easy to communicate with your audience. So therefore, always try to include more videos to your content plan. And fourth one is always be careful to create creative and attractive contents. So why we need to do these things? Because there are a lot of competition. If you are doing same thing, no one want to see same thing. So therefore, try to create creative and attractive things. Every people always like to see different things. Keep in mind, different things, right? So therefore, try to create a creative and attractive contents. Okay, and identify the best time to post your content. That is most important thing. Your audience should be on the platform. They should be active when you are publishing a content on the Instagram platform. So therefore, you should have good idea what time your audience spend their time on the Instagram platform, right? So therefore, keep in mind, try to track your audience and try to track what time they are spending on the particular platform. In this case, it is Instagram, right? Number 6, create a monthly content plan, and always create a content plan according to the season. Most of people, they are focused to buy on these seasons because they are trying to give gifts and they are trying to keep some memories. So therefore, try to create a content plan according to the season. As example, Halloween, Christmas, and a lot of stuff. You have more idea more than this. So therefore, try to create content plan according to that things. All right, that's all. I need to show you another example of the content plan. Let me show you that. See, this is the example of the content plan, content calendar. He lined up the days top of the page like this, and they listed down the social media platforms. So you can mention here what I'm going to mention on the Facebook on the Monday, and what I'm going to what kind of post I'm going to make for the Facebook Wednesday. And see, so this is very easy and you have good idea what kind of thing you are doing. So you are not going to be confused. So therefore, create a content plan before you start the Instagram marketing. That's all what I need to tell you. So thank you very much for joining our class, and I think you will learn good things from this class. Therefore, please do subscribe my channel and give thumbs up, and please share my videos with your friends. And up to now, that's all. Thank you very much, and see you with next video.